start by picking 12 black beads, then you pull them towards the end of your thread as usual, and you pass your needle back through all the 12 beads. Now tie a double knot, and of course cut the extra tail of thread. Okay, now you'll pass your needle through one bead. Now you're ready to start picking your beads. So pick 5 yellow beads, skip one black bead, and pass your needle through the next bead. Pick 5 yellow beads, skip one bead, and pass your needle through the next bead. Pick 5 yellow beads, skip one bead, and pass your needle through the next bead. So now I want you to repeat until you get to the end of the circle. So this is what we have. Now I want you to pass your needle through the first 2 yellow beads. So now pick 9 yellow orange beads and skip one yellow bead and pass your needle through the next. So skip the middle yellow bead and pass your needle through the next bead. Next, pick one black bead and pass your needle through the second yellow bead. Pick 9 yellow orange, skip one yellow bead and pass your needle through the next. Pick one black bead, pass your needle through the second yellow bead. So you'll just repeat doing what we've done until you get to the end. So that's what we have. Now I want you to pass your needle through the 5 yellow orange beads. The first 5 yellow orange beads, pass your needle through them. Now pick 15 orange beads and pass your needle through the middle yellow orange bead. So pass your needle through the middle yellow orange. That's what we have. Now pick 15 orange beads and do the same. Pass your needle through the middle yellow orange bead. So now repeat what you've done until you get to the end. So this is what you should be having. Now I want you to pass your needle through the first 2 orange beads. Pass your needle through the first 2 orange beads. Now pick 9 orange beads and pass your needle through the middle orange bead. So pass your needle through the 8th orange bead. So that's it. Now pick 9 orange bead and pass your needle through the second last orange bead. So that's it. Now pick one black bead and pass your needle through the second orange bead. Pass your needle through the second orange bead. Now pick 9 orange bead. Pass your needle through the middle orange bead, which is the 8th orange bead. Pick 9 orange beads. Pass your needle through the second last orange bead. Now pick one black bead, pass your needle through the second orange bead. So now I want you to repeat until you get to the end of your flower. So this is it, we are done. Now we want to find a place where we will tie a double knot. So just pass your needle however you want until you are ready to tie your double knot. Okay, so we have our flower.